Welcome! Today we're unboxing Cricut Explore 4, the next generation of our most popular smart cutting machine. It's perfect for making popular projects like vinyl decals, t-shirts, full-color stickers, and cards. It's up to 2 times faster than our previous machines, so you can save time while you craft. This machine comes in new colors, including this one, which is seashell. No matter which color you buy, Cricut Explore 4 works exactly the same, and the items included with your machine are identical. Let's take a look inside. First, you'll find a machine mat, materials, and tools to help kickstart your creativity. Next, we have the star of the show, the machine. You'll also get a power cord and USB adapter. Once you've removed its protective packaging, you're ready to get to know your Cricut Explore 4. To open the machine, press the button on the left side. Cricut Explore 4 comes preloaded with the premium fine point blade plus blade housing in Clamp B. Clamp A is where you insert Cricut pens or markers. The power button turns the machine on and off. This button loads and unloads your mat and smart materials. This is the Go button. It will flash to let you know your machine is ready to work its magic. And this is the Pause button, which allows you to stop the machine at any point in your making. The tray inside the bottom door is perfect for storing small tools and replacement blades. And this built-in storage is a great place to store your pens. Use this slot to display your phone or tablet. Along with this machine, you'll get a light grip machine mat for cutting materials like cardstock, vinyl, and iron-on. There's also a fine point pen for writing and drawing with your machine. The mini weeder is used to remove unwanted material from your cut design. This is the user guide, which contains machine safety and warranty information. Now for the materials. In the box, you'll get enough materials to make up to 10 projects. That includes 2 sheets of cardstock, which is great for paper projects like cards and gift tags. Cardstock must be placed on a machine mat, plus 1 sheet of Smart Iron-On. Smart Iron-On is great for t-shirts. It adheres to your base material with heat using a household iron or Cricut heat press. You'll also get 3 sheets of Smart Vinyl, which is perfect for creating decals for notebooks, laptops, and glassware. With smart materials, there's no need for a machine mat. They load directly into your machine, saving you time and simplifying your making experience. Finally, you get 2 sheets of transfer tape, which help you move your cut vinyl designs to a surface. Now that you've seen all the goodies in your box, you're ready to get started. Go to Cricut.com/setup to download our companion app, Cricut Design Space. The app is where you'll set up your machine, find project inspiration, and bring your creative visions to life. Once you've completed setup, you're good to go. We can't wait to see what you make.